Hi there. As we wrap up 2024, I wanted to take a moment to share some exciting updates about the Canadian housing market and what that means for you, especially heading into 2025. Whether your mortgage is coming up for renewal in the next few years, or you're looking to buy a home or planning to do renovations, there's a lot of opportunity heading into the new year in 2025. So let's dive into a lot of these changes, and I'll give you some highlights on that. First of all, I'd like to talk about inflation and interest rates. Some great news on both those fronts. When we're looking at inflation, our economy now in Canada is at target rate of 2%, and this is coming from a high of 8.1%. This is expected to stay there. The forecast is for 2025, and this will bring much needed stability to the marketplace and making it easier for us to be able to navigate your financing and the overall Canadian financing for the new year. Even better yet, the Bank of Canada's bank prime rate has dropped by 1.75% in total in 2024, now sitting at 5.45%, and it's forecasted to decrease by another 1 to 1.5% in 2025. So what does this mean for you? If you are an adjustable variable rate mortgage, on average, the mortgage amount in Canada is about $600,000 with a 25-year amortization, and with the bank prime drop, this has saved people around $580 a month on their payments. And with further reductions expected in 2025, you could save an additional $300 to $500 a month. This is a huge win for homeowners and buyers alike. Looking at the variable rate strategy, if you're looking to buy, is really going to help you position to take advantage of lower fixed rates down the road as we start to see fixed rates start to come down in 2025 and beyond. There has also been some major rule changes that could make a big difference for you if you are looking to purchase a home. First, one of the big changes was on insured purchases, which is less than 20% down. The price cap has increased from $1 million to 1.5%, opening the door for a lot more buyers to be able to access a higher mortgage amount and higher purchase price in areas where we're seeing over $1 million as an average price point. And also taking advantage of lower interest rates, more competitive interest rates. And second part of that is the 30-year amortization being reintroduced with less than 20% down. That helps you lower your monthly payments, gives you better cash flow, and helps buyer manage not having to come up with that 20% down payment, but just the minimum amount if they qualify. And that will help a lot of people. If you're up for renewal, the removal of the stress test now will allow people the opportunity to be competitive, be able to move and switch their mortgage around for more competitive interest rates, and not be able to have to qualify at that stress test that may have hindered them from being able to take opportunity of that. So you definitely want to get it connected with us so we could take a look at that. Exciting news in January 2025, refinancing is coming back into place up to 90% of your new appraised property if you're looking to do renovations on your home, and it would include projects like income generated suites, laneway homes, or home expansions. Not only will this allow you to renovate your home, but it'll allow you to boost your property value and also generate additional income to ease monthly payments. I'm excited about this. I think this is a game changer for us in 2025 for existing homeowners that are looking to grow their wealth and haven't had the funds to be able to do that. This refinancing of your existing property will allow you to do it with competitive interest rates and also on a 30-year amortization. So what's next? If your mortgage is coming up for renewal in the next 2 years, now's the time to explore options. We don't have the stress test that we have to qualify you at now. We're able to look at more competitive interest rates, maybe consolidate debt. We've had a lot of clients that have high interest rate debt and not able to manage that on a monthly basis. We've got some great strategies for you and tools to be able to help you with that. And we can reassess your financing to get you on a path. If you are a client looking to buy and have a pre-approval, you want to get that reassessed with the new rule changes that I talked about. The higher price caps, the extended amortization, and more competitive interest rates, making sure that you qualify for more to help you get into the price point that you need, this is the opportunity to look at that, especially going into the new year. To help you get started with that, I'm all about financial literacy. We want you to make sure you're managing your budget effectively. I recommend a lot of times the Mint tool app. It's a great way to be able to sit down and really look at your budget. We also have our mortgage tool app. That's a great resource for calculating monthly mortgage payments, exploring affordability, preparing the next steps for you. But by all means, connect with myself and my team. We're here to be able to educate you and provide you on a path of financial success and strategies going into the new year. I'm excited with a lot of these changes. We've had a really tough 3 years, I think, in the Canadian financial and real estate market. And a lot of people have been frustrated, but you can make some really smart, educated decisions with a lot of these new programs that are coming into place. Interest rates are coming down. It's going to allow you to renew your mortgage, refinance your existing mortgage, or buy a home with these new products, and we can guide you every step of the way. I am so privileged, myself and my team, over the last 26 years to be able to serve our communities across the country with financial education and tools and path for your home ownership and your financial wellness. And I look forward to continuing to do that in the new year. Thank you again for all your trust for myself and my team. We look forward to serving you in 2025. Make sure you reach out, set an appointment. Let's get you strong on your financing for success in the new year in 2025.